So we've all popped down to Castle Combe to see Neil testing his Escort. It's RS action day or something like that. So in fact Neil is just waiting to go out, so let's see how he gets on. Well, it's a very wet Castle Combe, as you can see on the ground. This is Neil's car, so it's a Mark II Zack-Speed Escort with a Ford Warrior engine in that we built for him a couple of months ago. So it's all been on the rollers, and this is his first time out for a little while, so let's see how he gets on. Neil's just been out for his first test session and he's on Nankangs, which are virtually slick and pretty rainy here, so he's come in, quick pit stop. We're going to put some wets on for him. So Neil's just trying to get out now for one last go on wet tyres. Sounds so good. The noise from it sounds incredible. That wants to be a bit softer, that. That's really pissing it down. How was that, Neil? Why was it horrible? Eh?
It's really twitchy. Yeah, but it's wet. No, but I mean, like, I'm getting on the power and you keep it on, you let it off and snatch it back. Oh. Yeah, I saw that. Yeah, it's real snatchy. Yeah, it is.
Maybe you just need to put your mangina away.
It might be that, yeah. You can't see I'm going either.
Tracy, look. Your friends are here. They forgot their lightsabers.
Get your lightsaber out.
Alright, Jack.
Oh, look. Little thing.
I've never seen Star Trek.
What? Oh, sorry. What are you saying?
Tracy.
What are you doing? What are you doing, Vola?
What's it called? Saber.
Star Wars.
Saber training.
No, was it? Yeah, saber training.
Jedi training.
What's the woman's name?
Oh, I don't
Give her
know.
a shout out.
Madam Saber.
Madam Saber.
This is Mr. Madam Saber.
You told everyone.
So we're just watching the start of the drift demo, and some of the boys are incredible doing the drifting. I mean, how they got the cars from lock to lock on the straight is awesome. So hope you enjoy this. And just turning up now is just painting and he's having a crack Ford Escort van. This guy is unbelievable. Right back at the top of the straight, the thing's sideways, lock to lock. Enjoy this. That's sick, isn't it?
Sick, easy drive.
Good, yeah, you?
High five, come on. Come on.
So we're ready now for prize giving. We've decided just to bring it. Good old barn find. Loads of nice Capris here. RS 1600i.
What up?
Press that once. Done it. Oh,
Take that bit of glass off. Freaking me out. Thank you.
Have you pressed that button once? Yeah.
Working?
You recording?
Yeah. Is that okay, Neil?
Put a fingerprint on it.
Working?
Neil's going out for his first go in the dry. So we've just got back from Castle Combe with Neil, and we're back at the workshop now to do some work. So I'm ending this video here. If you guys have enjoyed it, if you could leave the word warrior in the comment section below, that would be great. If you've got any other questions that you want answering, just leave them in the comments as well. But it was great to see Neil back out. He's not been racing for quite a while really, and to see him back out there and driving really fast, and the engine that we done for him going really well and sounding strong, that was great. Also wanted to thank Chris and Rob from the Modified Ford stand for hosting us all day. That was really good, and putting up with us, and we had some great banter with them, so big thanks to them guys as well. And we'll see you on the next video. See you guys. Ta-ra.